Go.
Welcome to Black Stump 4x4!
You meet us out here at Janowen Hills for the second part of Lacey's birthday weekend. While the rest of the boys were out getting firewood, we took the GQ for a play before heading back to camp to celebrate, and then taking a Jimny and 2 broken Hiluxes on a pretty hilarious night run.
The old center console's got some features. Holy fuck. How good is having brakes?
Fuck, that was a big hole.
Pretty comfy though.
Yeah, it was probably softer than I was expecting.
Like these shocks are rooted, but they teabag. One-handed with a rusky in tow.
Oh. Holy fuck.
How good is having brakes?
We're gonna die in here.
Maybe. I'll put it in the low range. Yeah, up. Second gear and go, go, go.
Slipped out of 4, didn't you?
Slipped out. Not a good spot.
Passenger? Bit of passenger? Yeah. Yeah. Climb the wall a little bit.
Ready?
Ready. What's this, mate?
Wait, put that back! Wait, that's not where that goes. Don't do that.
I literally didn't pull it off, it just fell in my lap.
Yeah, well you shut the door, didn't you? What did you expect to happen?
Oh god.
on. So
I sort of missed the start.
tonight I'm eating. So tonight cooking up a bit of pulled pork. Got the recipe off Fight a Fork. Some very good cooking recipes for when you're camping, or camp oven based, or whatever you can do while camping, which is awesome. So yeah, just doing the prep now. See how we go.
Come back in a couple of beers, mate.
Probably about 8 beers, I reckon.
What are you putting in those?
Just a bit of smoked paprika and maybe a bit of chili flakes also. Just spread that around. Really just livens up the flavour, you know what I mean? Like, without it, it's just nothing.
What is it?
Yeah, get that in there. A bit more of that, I like to do. That's just me though. You can do whatever you like. And then that, give it fucking 5 hours, it's gonna be fucking myth.
Just that?
There we go.
There you go.
Give it the game.
Happy 25th.
He went the other way, saying down,
Down.
Now that's a feed. That is a feed. That was impressive. Fuck yeah. That was impressive.
like fucking voting up behind the Jimny. Fucking good poles. Like it's gone.
Is that your rocket cover?
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll be able to figure it out now.
What kind of drop? The one in the bucket is raw. Nice. Yeah.
That's such a big chunk there.
Look at that! Why are you like this?
Fuck, I'd hate to be you guys. Did you try and use your windows last time, mate? Baby.
Alright, mint light last night. Everyone's a little bit dusty, but we're gonna hit the tracks and see how we go, so it should be good fun. Is this a 4-wheel or a 2-wheel drive track?
Surely 4-wheel. I crawled it, but you're trying to. I don't reckon you'll get it.
No brakes, rather not.
BT1, Coil 0.
I have a passenger in the car. I did not want to send it.
My safe words keep going.
I saw that one. And stop.
Would be too easy.
Come this way. Keep coming, keep coming. You're gonna have to come a long way this way. Just the high, like the high side, this one. Go back. Go back and driver, ride the wall.
So that wraps up the weekend at Janowen Hills, guys. Thanks heaps for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.